For me, it's as simple as no judgment is passed. I'm able to be the best at what I do because everyone is elevating, everyone is amping, everyone is in support of. I had two dominant families, both Māori and Samoan, who kind of share in that sense of respect, I guess. In Samoan we call that whānau. Yeah, just a sense of collectiveness where if one hurts, the entire whānau hurts. If one is celebrated, the entire whānau is celebrating. But also, yeah, I also think of like my whānau or my communities who I consider whānau, where I've been able to belong to the trans community, to the takatāpuhi community, the entire whawhiwhengi entity that makes us kind of like united in one. Yeah, it's very special. Everyone in those silos are very special. Whānau, yeah.